So hello everybody, it's Philippe de Barros here, West Coast swing and solo dance teacher, and it's a joy to help you with your dancing. Today we're going to look at a really satisfying routine. So I'm going to have my lovely assistant, my lovely student, Ha, who helps me a lot. So thank you so much for all your help, I appreciate you. We're in her lovely studio here. So we're going to show you the routine first. So it starts off with a sugar push variation, a one-handed sugar push. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 into our barrel. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 into a chest compression. 3 and 4. And the follower can choose to push the leader backwards if they want to as well. We do have a bonus move as well coming up at the end, so stay tuned for the bonus move. So our first move, which I love, is a one-handed sugar push. And it's really cool because we leave one side of the follower and myself free, which gives you more chance to play with angles, free arms and so on. So this is our sugar push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Various variations. We can keep it without an angle if you want to, without a tap step, just triple steps. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Or we can have it more angled, so 1, 2 with a free arm, tap step and so on. Really nice to do. I like that one a lot. So that's our first one. Nice easy one to get yourself in, but very satisfying to do. Then we have next after this our barrel roll. We'll just show you from the other side just for the start. And the basic version is a free spin. We have there's many ways to lead it. The way many people do, including myself, is to go back, turn our follower, guide them down the slot like this. But I've been working on another way to lead it, so keeping the follower closer, so they have less length to travel. So it's more like where I go backwards on 1, but now I keep the foot there on the spot on 2, a bit of compression here we have, and then I can use this prep here, I can use my hips if I need to turn the follower for 3 and 4, and the follower is much closer. So you can choose, experiment with both, see which one you like. Maybe if you're dancing to like a lyrical song, you might do a longer slot with your follower. So that was the first level, the free spin. But now we're going to keep hold of this reverse handhold. I like this position, reverse handhold. We're going to keep hold of this, 1, 2, and just place it up and nice and lower it down, keeping it in line with my follower's track here. So I'm just going to show you from this side. We have a line here, so I'm not going to, if I finish it here, it might turn my follower, rotate them, or it might rotate them the other way, which could be a choice, but for now we're just going to keep it in line with their track. So that was the next level, but now my favorite level is the barrel turn, where I turn as well, right shoulder backwards, keeping the same rhythm. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, all 5 and 6, very satisfying. And then there's other levels of this where you might let go of the hand. Well, I might go 1, 2, 3 and 4, let go, drape it down. Another level as well, actually, we haven't rehearsed this one, but I can go 3 and 4. I can turn, prep my follower like this. So there we go. I was not expecting it, so there we are. So that's another level you can add as well. You can always play these moves. And then our bonus move works well after this, which is where we've just finished in this position, in my favorite handhold. And if I want to, I can turn here, and I can anchor step if I need to. But it also adds a nice variety where I'm turning. Leaders and followers, when we turn, I recommend turning everything together instead of one half first, and then the rest catches up, because you might sometimes end up being with a strange position. So I like turning everything together like this, instead of turning one part and then you have knees coming in and so on. So with the barrel roll together, it's 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I might turn 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and then 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. You can, if you want to, add rock and goes and so on, which I love, but we're not going to be introducing those today. And then we have our last one, which is a sugar push variation. It's a compression. Followers, a good rule for you is if you're moving forwards and the leader's in the way, instead of hitting them, you can compress, but with really nice compression energy, and use that to then either stay there with compression or push them back. Should we try you staying there first without pushing you back? So let's go 1, 2. We're just going to keep compression like in a sugar push, and then from here the leader can choose, I might go here. But now another level follows is where you'll use the energy to push the leader backwards and make the leader scroll backwards. 2, 3 and 4, pushing the leader backwards into the mirror as we lead our next pattern. And that feels really nice when the follower gives you a really nice push, but it's a really smooth push using the energy. Really nice smooth push. So quickly as well, the followers footwork for our free spins. So if you'd like to show us, we can do it together. So we're going to we can do it side by side, yes. So we're going forwards on one, and then the leader's prepping us on two. Our weight is not going forwards, it stays here. And then for our first triple step, it's going to be triple, and then the foot is like a kickstand, ready to catch you, to then roll. Many people land on it. We're going to roll, and then you can add your anchor step, 5 and 6. Very nice. And that was our routine for today. Very satisfying one. Let us know what you think about that routine. If you have any of your own suggestions how we can change them, let's all be a friendly, helpful community helping each other. And I also offer private lessons online and in person. I love helping people, to coach them, to improve at their art. So if you're interested, you're very welcome to contact me. And of course, if you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to this channel. So do not forget that to enjoy your dancing and to be yourself on the dance floor.